Hello students, let us discuss about Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method is one of the direct method which we can apply to find the solution of system of linear equations. It is a systematic process of eliminating unknowns from the linear equations. So it is divided into two parts. First is triangularizations and back substitution. First we have to convert a given system of equation into upper triangular form. Then from backward substitution we can find the values of unknown. So look at here. So this is a system of n by n matrix and in n unknowns. Okay, this will reduce to the equivalent triangular system. So there is a process, so I will come to that. Okay, first look at here, this is a upper triangular system. So from a backward substitutions we can find the value of x, and then substituting in the this previous equations, we can find the values of all the unknowns. So actually basically what we do is we try to convert a system into upper triangular system. Okay, so this equivalent system can easily solve by backward substitution or back substitutions. So let us discuss about the working rule. So first steps will be, we have to eliminate x1 from second and third equation. When we consider three equations only, or 3 by 3 row only, so in that case we have to eliminate x1 from second and third equations. So in order to eliminate second and x1 from second and third equation, we have to use a recursion formula. So this recursion formula we have to use. So Ri minus AI1 A11 R1. So R indicates a row, I is equal to 2 for second row. Okay, R1 is first row, A11 is the first element of that system, a coefficient matrix A11. So this formula will be R2 minus A21 I1 A21 A11 R1. This is for eliminating x1 from second row. Okay, so when we expand this, so R2, so first element of R2 is A21 minus A21, it is fixed, A21 is fixed. Okay, A divided by A11, it is also fixed, into A11 R1 is element of row 1. So first element of row 1 is A11 plus A22, again A21 divided by A11, which is fixed, A12, which is a second element of row 2, and A23 minus A21 A11 A13 x3. So it goes up to A2n minus A21 divided by A11, which is fixed, A11 A1n xn. Okay, this is the last term, and B2 minus A21 divided by A11 B11. This will also change when we use this recursion formula. So B2 minus A21 A11 B1. Okay, so then which yields the different elements. Okay, directly it will become 0, x11, coefficient of x1 will be 0, and A22 will be new one, so writing A1 A22 1, A23 also becomes a new element, so this is 1, A2 and 1 xn B2 dash, it will also change, B2 will also change, so writing B2 dash. So similarly for third row, this recursion formula is same, Ri minus AI1 divided by A11 R2. Here we have to change I will be 3. For second row, I is 3. So now I is 3, so it will become R3 minus A31 divided by A11 R1. So when we expand this, A31 minus A31 by A11 will be fixed. Okay, A11 x1, A32 minus A31 divided by A11 A12 x2. minus plus A33 minus A31 divided by A11 A13 x3. So A3n minus A31 divided by A11 A1n xn equal to B3 minus A31, which is fixed, B1. So again this will vanish. Okay, coefficient becomes 0, so no need to write here. A321 x2 plus A331 x3 plus dot 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 A3n xn B3 dash. So we get A3n xn equal to B3 dash. So now new system, we have new system, that is A11 A12 A13 dot dot A1n 0 A221 A231 A211 new elements, okay, of coefficient matrix, A321 A331 A3n 1. So again B1 dash B2 dash B3 dash. Now in the next step we have to eliminate x2 from third equation using recursion formula. So when we consider 3 by 3 matrix only, okay, for the sake of simplicity, to understand this method, when we consider 3 by 3 matrix only, in that case, if we make in row 1, if we make coefficient of x1 0 and coefficient of x1 0 in third row as well as coefficient of x2 0 in third row, then this matrix will be the upper triangular matrix. All the element which lies below principal diagonal element is 0. Okay, that so then by backward substitution we can find the solution. Only x3 will remain here. Okay, so for the sake of simplicity, what we do here is we consider 3 by 3 matrix only. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix only. So I have expanded here, so we can expand this formula, okay, also. But for 3 by 3 matrix, if we eliminate x2 from the third equations by using recursion formula, so recursion formula is again Ri minus AI2 divided by A22 R2. Here you have to understand I is 3, okay, which indicates row, also I2 3 2, okay, but here we are eliminating coefficient of x2 from second column, so that here you have to use A22 which will be fixed, and R2, okay, R2. So now A32 minus A32 R32, because already coefficient of x1 is 0, so A32, we have to start from A32 divided by A22 into A22 into x1 plus A33 minus A32 divided by A23 x3 minus A3n minus A32 divided by A2n equal to B3 minus A32 divided by A22 B2. Okay, so now finally all the elements, okay, so this is new element, okay, new element, A23 also new, and A2n is also new coefficient of xn. So these three elements has become 0. Okay, so if we consider this matrix only, then we can easily find value of x3 which is a unknown. So when the equation is given in n unknowns, we can expand this formula. Okay, for your scope of your syllabus, you can find up to 4 by 4 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix. You no need to go beyond the order 4 and order 3. Okay, so for the system of 3 equations in 3 unknowns, we get this type of reduced upper triangular form: A11 A12 A13 0 A22 A23 A3 0 0. Okay, so this is upper triangular matrix. So by back substitution, we can find values of x3, which is equal to b3 by a33. Again, we can use that x3 in this second equation, okay, and then we can use x3 and x2 to find x1 from this first equations. So this is the method. This is also known as a Gaussian scheme, okay, Gaussian scheme of eliminations. But this is not a fixed method, okay. Always you have to use this, but you can use another way also. If we could make lower triangular this elements which lies below principal diagonal elements 0 by any of the rule, you can do the elementary substitution, elementary transformations, so any method you can apply. But this is a simple method which you can use to make the coefficient of x1 and x1 of equation 2 and equation 3 0, and also you can make coefficient of x2 0 of third row, okay. This is the recursion formula you have to remember, okay. Always you have to remember this recursion formula. Using this formula we can convert a system into upper triangular system, okay, any system into a upper triangular system. So in the next video I will be discussing about the examples using this method.